Guys, I'm gonna head you into a little secret. I made scent for scented disc, and this is the water I use, and this is the soap I use, Polmolive Oxy. But I have to dip them in there, then air dry them, and then bring them here. And I made my own scented air freshener. How you do it? DIY. I'm gonna write the ingredients down underneath, folks. Um, the ingredients are Palmolive Oxy, warm soapy water, and lemon juice to give it a citrus sort of scent. And then you spray it like this. Smells nice too. And it can be used as a DIY cleaner for things. If you're cleaning the fridge, you just want a nice smell of lemon. You open the door, not too strong, but a nice smell. Folks, that's my DIY craft.